In this video, we are going to learn how to use the if statement. So the first column, let's call it name. Then second column, let's call it gender initial. And the third column, let's call it gender. Now let's enter some names. Peter, Abigail, Paul, Nancy, and then Isaac. Okay, now we have Peter, Abigail, Paul, Nancy, and Isaac. Now we know that Peter is a male, so M, which means male. Abigail is female, so F. Paul is male, so M. Nancy is female, so F. And then Isaac is male, so M. Okay, that is, or these are the gender initials. Okay, now we want to use the if statement to write the full gender, or to write the gender in full. If it is male, male. If it is female, female. Now let's look at how to use the if statement or the if function to write the gender in full. So equal if, open parenthesis, then I select the first initial, equal to M, comma, male, comma, female, then I close parenthesis. Okay, so now if B2, which is M, is M, or if the content in cell B2 is M, then the gender is female. Else, sorry, if the content in B2 is M, then the gender is male. Else, the gender is female. Okay, and you can see that the M is in quotes, the male is in quotes, and then the female is also in quotes, because they are all strings. They are not numbers or values. So if, let's say, the M, where the M is located is, say, 4 or 5 number, then there will be no quote. But because it is not number, it is an alphabet, or it is a string, that is why it is in quotes. And the male too is also a string. It is not a value, or it is not a number, so it is in quotes. The same thing happens to the female. So now I am pressing enter. Okay, now it is true that B2 is M. Okay, if you look at the function or the statement, it says if B2 is equal to M, and it is true that B2 is M, and if it is M, then it means male, else female. So if it is not M, then automatically it is female, because if it is not M, then it is F, and F is female. Okay, so now let's find the rest. You put the cursor here, then you drag down. Okay, so Peter, M is male, Abigail is female, Paul is male, and the same thing applies to the rest. So this is how to use the if statement in Microsoft Excel.